This is instructions for lesson 5.2, choosing and entering chords. When choosing chords for a melody, you must choose a chord that contains the melody note you are trying to harmonize. For example, a fa can only be harmonized with a 2, 4, or 7 chord, because those are the three chords that contain a fa. Here's the fa in the 2 chord, here's the fa in the 4 chord, and here's the fa in the 7 chord. If you would try to harmonize it with a 6 chord, it would create a very dissonant sound, because particularly the mi and the fa being half step apart would create a clashing sound. For the assignment for this lesson, you will only use 1, 4, and 5 chords. These are known as the primary triads because they are major and are used most often. And since they contain every note of the scale, entire melodies can be harmonized with just these 3 triads, and thousands of songs exist which do just that. What I mean is, if a melody note is a do, you can harmonize that with the 1 chord or the 4 chord. Re is found in the 5 chord, mi is found in the 1 chord, fa is found in the 4 chord, so is found in the 5 chord and the 1 chord, la is in the 4 chord, and ti is in the 5 chord. So any note of the scale can be found in those 3 chords. Now the first note of the melody we will be harmonizing from page 100 is a mi. And so a mi can be harmonized with a 1 chord, a 6 chord, or a 3 chord. However, we're just using 1, 4, and 5 chords, so that eliminates the 3 and the 6 chord. So you'll have to start with a 1 chord on this melody. The first 2 notes are mi, so you go 1 chord, and then this is a fa. What chord can we use to harmonize a fa? Well, of the 3 primary chords, the 4 chord is the only one with a fa, so we have to use that. And you'll go down through the melody choosing chords in that manner. The only times you'll have choices is when the note is a do or a so. Do can be harmonized with a 1 or a 4 chord, and so can be harmonized with a 1 or a 5 chord. Other than that, the choice is already made for you.